Hello dear students, welcome back to the new video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we are going to see GST on services. Now what is the actual definition of services? Services means anything other than goods or money or securities, but it includes activities relating to the use of money or its conversion in any form of consideration. Wait, let me make it more simple for you. Services means activities provided by other people. Say for example, doctor's consultation or lawyer's fees, or you can consider as consultation charges or chartered accountant's fees, etc. All these can be considered under services. Now first we will see small animated video with the help of which you will come to know the different types of services rendered in the industry, and then we will solve the problem from our textbook, page number 65. Let's see the video first. So let's see the problem which is given in our textbook, page number 65. Let's read the problem first. Messrs. Freelance Technical Consultancy Company from Shraddhanandapet, and the address is from Nagpur, Maharashtra. GST number is given. Is a freelancing company which tackle problems and provide IT solutions. So the company is service-based company, service provider, who provides services such as website designing, digital marketing, consultation, etc. Then the transactions are given for 1st October 2017. Received design charges from Mrs. Mehta Construction, who is from Maharashtra. Then consultancy charges received from Mrs. Perfect Engineers, who is also from Maharashtra. Then the third transaction is paid advertisement charges to the party, Mrs. Online Digital Marketing from Maharashtra. And last, paid web hosting charges to Mrs. Popular Web Hoster from Bangalore, Karnataka. Here we are going to apply IGST, and all the other three transactions we are going to apply CGST and SGST because they belongs to Maharashtra state. Here there are 4 different transactions, and if you see in the solution, it is given that first is due entry and second one is receipt entry. So for each transaction we are going to pass 2 entries, one in sales voucher and another in receipt voucher, or either one in purchase voucher and second one is in payment voucher. We will solve the problem using Tally, so you will understand the concept more clearly. First of all, we will create the company Mrs. Freelance Technical Consultancy using Tally software. Here the transactions are from 2017, so I am giving the year as 1st April 2017. I have created the company successfully. Now I will change the features. First, statutory and taxation, where I will enable GST and details. And then from accounting features, here we are going to change the maintain accounts only, yes, because the company is service oriented. It is also seen that some companies put this as no option and they treat the services as stock items and they pass the entries as if they are doing all these things under stock item. So that can also be done, but here it is mentioned in the textbook that maintain accounts only should be yes. So here I am going to put maintain accounts only as yes, and rest other things I am not going to change. So simply pressing Ctrl A to accept everything. So we have created the company, we have changed the company features, accounting features and statutory and taxation features. Now first of all we will create all the related ledger accounts. For first transaction, accounts info, ledgers and create. For first transaction, you can see the ledger account to be created is design charges. And we are receiving the money against this designing charges. So in service industry it is treated as sales, as if we are selling product. We are receiving the amount against this design charges. So the design charges will be treated as sale item. So we are going to consider this under sales account. Here we are going to change the GST and details, and the nature of the transaction will be sales taxable. Now here there is only one tax type, that is integrated tax. So I am pressing F12 key. And I am going to enable all the GST types by setting this value to yes. Now here you can see the other taxes can also be seen. I will put integrated tax, which is given in the problem, as 18%. So the CGST and SGST will automatically come to 9 and 9%. Here you have to select type of supply as services. That's it. Then second ledger account, that is Messrs Mehta Constructions, sundry debtors, State Bank of India, because the amount is being received in the form of check. So this account has to be there under bank group. If you want, you can put any dummy number here. So we have created 3 ledger accounts. Next we will create CGST and SGST also, duties and taxes, central tax and SGST. So the ledger accounts required for passing first entry are being created. Now I will go to Gateway of Tally screen. From here, accounting voucher, and first is received design charges from Messrs Mehta Construction. So we are going to consider this as sale of service. So we are going to pass this entry under sales voucher. Here you can put dummy number. Then the date is given 1st October, so I will change the date. Party's account name Messrs Mehta Constructions. Then the particulars, design charges 50,000. Then again I am pressing space bar and I am selecting CGST. It will come automatically 9%. Enter space bar. SGST. 9%. If you want, you can simply press Ctrl N and calculate the amount here. 50,000 into 9%, 4,500 and 4,500. So the calculation is correct. Press enter key and the total amount is 59,000. If you want, you can write the narration. This is the due entry and we are going to pass the receipt entry for this under receipt voucher. So I am selecting receipt voucher, credit to Mr. Mehta, 59,000, the total amount. Under receipt voucher, you have to take the total amount, that is design charges amount plus GST charges amount. And the narration. Received against design charges. So we have done with the first entry successfully. Now let's read the second entry. On 2nd October 2017, received consultancy charges from Messrs. Perfect Engineers Limited, Wardha, that is from Maharashtra. Now this is also sell type of transaction because we are selling this service, consultancy service. So first we will create, or we will directly go to sales and here 002 as a reference number. Then the date is 2nd October. Now here parties account Mrs. Perfect, which is not being created. As I have shown you in my earlier videos, you can simply press Alt C and you can create the ledger account from this screen, Messrs. Perfect. Who is going to be our sundry debtor. Created this account. Then the second account is also not created, that is consultancy charges. Again Alt C. Sales, because we are selling this service. Applicable, GST applicable, yes. Here also the nature of transaction, sales taxable, and the GST is given as 5%. So 5, so it will get divided 2.5 and 2.5. Services. Then I will put the amount here as 10,000 given in the problem, and then CGST 250 and spacebar SGST. No need to create CGST and SGST again because we have already created these two ledger accounts. So CGST and SGST, and the total 10,500. You can put the narration or simply press enter key to accept this. Now again we are going to pass the receipt entry for this transaction. So receipt. Now here it is not mentioned whether there is a bank transaction or it is in cash. So we will assume this as this is the cash transaction. So we will consider this as cash received. So credit the account to Mrs. Perfect Engineers 10,500 and debit to cash 10,500. Then the third entry, paid advertisement charges to Messrs. Online Digital Marketing. So this is payment. That means we are purchasing this service from other agency. So we are going to consider this under purchases. So first I will go to accounts info. I will create these ledger accounts. Accounts info, ledgers, create, advertisement, then the second account is Messrs. Online Digital Marketing. So we'll directly go to accounting vouchers, purchase entry, purchases, dummy number 002, and the date is 2nd October 2017. Parties account, online digital marketing, and the services purchased, advertisement charges. That's 40,000 is the amount given. Space bar, CGST 3,600, space bar, SGST 3,600. So the total is 47,200. If you want, you can type the narration or simply press enter key to accept this. Now the second entry for this is what we have done, a due entry, and now we will see the payment entry for this. From payment voucher, online digital marketing account debit 47,200 to cash. Here also it is not mentioned any check or any bank related details, so we will consider this as cash. Here you can see the cash is showing negative balance because opening cash balance is not given in the problem, so we will keep it as it is. So the third entry is also done. Now the fourth one, where paid web hosting charges to Messrs Popular Web Hoster Bangalore, Karnataka, and the amount is given. Now here the transaction is out of state, so we are going to consider this GST as IGST, which is given in the problem as IGST 18%. So we will first go to purchases and we will create this parties account, Alt C. Who is going to be our sundry creditor. And the charges, Alt C, purchases, now here we are going to select interstate purchase taxable. Here you can go to the configuration and make the option no, so you will see only integrated tax 18% and services. The amount is 30,000. Space bar, IGST is not created, also under duties and taxes, GST and integrated tax. Accept, yes. IGST is automatically calculated, 18% on 30,000. We can cross check this, Control N, 30,000 into 18%, 5,400, correct. So the total amount is 35,400. Accept this, yes. Now we will pass the last entry, that is payment entry. Messrs Popular Web Hosters account debit 35,400. So we will select State Bank of India because check number is given. We have finished all the transactions. Let's see the reports. GSTR reports, display, statutory reports and GST, GSTR2. If you cannot see the report details, you have to change the period from here. You can simply click here and you can give the period as 1/4/2017 to 31/3/2018, that is financial year starts and financial year ends. And you can see the GSTR2 report. You can print this by clicking on print option or you can save this in PDF format. Next is GST annual computation. Here you can see that GST annual computation report is also there. So we have finished with the problem which is given in the textbook, page number 65, GST on services for freelance technical consultancy company. Now in my next video I am going to cover the next chapter, that is chapter number 4, e-commerce and e-governance. Also I am going to come up with the new video based on the chapter ERP, that is enterprise resource planning. And as you all know, my USP, that is the animations in my video. I assure you, you will see more and more animations in my upcoming videos. So please watch my videos and don't forget to like and comment. Thank you.